Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a Google Ads account as well as setting your ads on Google Ads. The first thing you will want to do before you do this is obviously to have a Google account, so go ahead and create one if you haven't have one already. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to go to ads.google.com and then you're going to want to log in through that page. And to log in to ads.google.com, you're going to have a Google account, like I said earlier. So go ahead and create one before you go to this page. Next, you're going to want to add your business name. So let's say it's going to be, this is actually optional, but it's going to make it easier for you to track on which ads are you creating and which campaigns are you trying to manage. So I always add my business name, and then you're going to want to set on where should people go after they click on your ad, whether you want them to go to your website or maybe you want them to contact you through your business phone number, or if you already have an app for your business, you might want people to download your mobile app once they see the ad. So the conversion will be the download of your mobile app or the contact through your number or the click to your website. So if it's going to be website, you can go ahead and add your web page URL, and then next you can choose to create an account without a campaign first, and then you can set your campaigns later, and I'm going to go ahead and click on that for now. Next, you're going to want to confirm on the account settings. So first, you're going to want to set on your billing country, your time zone, and as well as your currency. And here are some of the questions that you will have to answer. The first one is whether you want to personalize campaign guidance from a Google Ads experts by phone. I'm just going to go ahead and click on no. And whether you want to get tips, promo offers, testings, and feedback opportunities, and new features invitation by email. Again, I'm just going to go ahead and click on no and then click on submit. And here are some of the things that you will have to know. The first thing is if you create an ads with Google Ads, your ads will go live after a review. All ads are going to be checked to ensure that they're safe and appropriate for everyone. So this editorial and policy reviews should take around 1 to 2 business days. And you can also improve your return on investment by measuring conversions. It says here that while your ads are reviewed, you can take steps so that you can measure important actions people take on your ads and website. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on next. So here are some of the things that I can directly do if I want my conversion to be people clicking into my website. I can do that by installing the Google tags into my website. I'm just going to go ahead and skip this for now. Alright, and once your Google Ads account is created, you're going to be able to see this dashboard right here. Through this dashboard, you'll be able to see the overview of your campaign, the insights and the reports. You can see the reports editor, the dashboard, you can see the campaigns, the experiment, the campaigns group that you have. You can also see the audience keywords and content, as well as the change histories. You can set your goal over here, like the conversion that you want, as well as the measurements for your conversions. And here are some of the tools that you'll be able to use with Google Ads. They have planning, shared library, content suitability, data manager, troubleshooting, bulk actions, budgets and bidding, as well as business data. And there is also a billing setup, because once you create a campaign, you will have to choose on the payment of your ads, whether you want it to be daily or whether you want it to be a lifetime budget. You can set it, and I'm going to show you how it works later. So here are the billing setup. You can set on the account type. You can also put your tax information as well as your details, and then you can also set your payment, whether it's going to be manual or automatic. It actually depends on you. I always like it to be manual, just so that I know when my money is going to be used for an ads. And I can specify the payment. Let's say that I want it to be this much. And then I can also choose on the payment method. And once I'm done, I can just submit and save this billing setup. Now, in order to create your campaigns, all you have to do is just click on a new campaign. And here you're going to want to choose your objective. There are 7 available objectives that you can choose. There are sales, leads, website traffic, app promotions, awareness, local store visit and promotion, and create a campaign without a goals guidance. If you want, obviously I will always choose a goal just so that my ads could be targeted better. And it depends on what goals you will want to achieve. Let's say earlier I want my goals to be website traffic, but maybe if you want to increase sales, or maybe you want to collect more leads, or you want to promote your app, Google basically have all of this goals for you to choose. So let's say again I'm going to go with website traffic, and then I can also choose on the campaign type, whether it's going to be search or performance max, display, shopping, video, or demand gen. So each campaign type also have different audience market or different audience target. And you can see, for example, this video right here is going to reach viewers on YouTube and get conversion. Meanwhile, the search is going to get in front of high intent customers at the right time on Google search. Performance max are going to reach audience across all the Googles with a single campaign. Display is going to reach customers across 3 million sites and apps with engaging creativity. You can also choose on the type of campaigns you want. Let's say for now, I want my campaign to be search. Then I'm going to scroll down. And here I can also insert my website link. So again, I'm going to insert it over here. Okay. And then my conversion is going to be page view. And I'm just going to name my campaign name as web page traffic test 1. And go ahead and click on continue. And now you're going to want to set on your bidding. So what do you want to focus on? Obviously, I want to focus on conversion, but you can choose on the other focus like conversions value, click, or impression shares. I'm just going to stick with conversion. I can also set a target cost per actions if I want, just so that I know how my money is being spent. And then for the customer acquisitions, I can bid for new customers only, just to make sure that my ads will not show to the same persons over and over again. So you can click on that if you want. I'm just going to skip it. Click on next. And then here are the campaign settings. I can choose on the search network as well as display network, and then I can also set on the location. So depending on where would you like your ads to go to, let's say you want to focus on just the local people, you can go ahead and choose your country as the only location for your ads. Or if you want to broaden or to expand your shop more globally, you can go ahead and choose all country. I'm just going to go ahead and use my local. And as for the language, you can set on whatever language you want your customers or your targeted audience to speak. For me, English is a must, obviously, and maybe you want to add your native language or just like some other language that would you like to be as your target market. Go ahead and do that. I'm just going to put this to for now. And there is an advanced setting for audience segments. Maybe you want it to be, for example, there's like business professional, or you want them to be adolescents, etc. This is just the more specific segment for your audience, just so you know that your ads are going to go to the right person. And then you can just go ahead and click on next. And here you can set on the keywords so that once people insert it into their SEO, your website are going to show once Google read that the keywords that you set is there. So let's say that the product that I'm going to advertise is jewelry or like clothing. Then you can enter the keywords right here. You can separate on each keywords by commas or enter one per line. So let's say again, I want, if people try to search for jewelry, then clothing, or maybe accessory. Just put as many keywords as you want so that it's going to be able to grasp or to get more customers. And here you're going to be able to see on your ad strength, as well as all of the things that are going to make your ad stronger. Once you finish all of the details from the sections earlier, now you can set on your budget. So here are the budgets that Google shows me based on their calculations. You can use and all of the budgets that they gave you, or you can also set a custom budget. So you can set on the average daily budget for your campaign. For example, maybe you want to spend around this much for your daily campaign, and then it's going to show you the weekly cost as well as the weekly conversion. And if your budget is relatively low, Google are going to give you a notification that says that your budget is lower than other advertisers' budget, which may affect performance. If you want to raise your performance, you can always also increase your budget, so the higher you pay, the better performance your ads is going to be. Once you set up your budget, you can go ahead and click on next. And then you can just check one more time for your ads details before you publish it. Go ahead and scroll around and see if everything is according to how you want your ads to be. And once you're done and you're sure that everything is good, you can go ahead and click on publish campaign, and there you go, your ads is set. And that's basically it. That is how you can create an ads account as well as creating an ads on Google Ads. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.